Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. Hi guys, Mitch here from MJB Seminars, where you liberate, empower and inspire yourself to be the greatest example of your creation. Now, I just want to share with you a lesson from this week. We've just run a Relationships in You, and we had most of our new equilibrators coming through, our trainee equilibrators coming through and sitting with us and observing us actually working with people and taking people through the process, which was just fabulous. It's great to see it happening here. But something that happens when your organization or when your life steps up to a new level, and what I think is important to understand is that when you shift in a new level in your life, you go to a new sphere of influence. You move that innermost dominating thought. You're now operating at a new sphere of influence, and you start to notice around you that the world starts to feed back to you that you're on track. But one of the ways it feeds back to you that you're on track in two ways. One way being that you'll start to see things fall into place, but another way will be that the old system or the old ways in which things used to work for you don't work anymore. So you'll find that the old conversations that you used to be able and connections you had with some people are not the same anymore. And unless we're consciously aware that this is a natural part of what occurs for us when we actually go to another level, sometimes what can happen is that we can sabotage the new level we've gone to, trying to go back to the old level of how we were actually operating. So it's important to understand that as your consciousness moves to another level, as you go into a new relationship, as you get a new job or you earn more money, you have to be aware that the old systems that you used to run in your life will in some cases fall viciously short. So you have to be emotionally intelligent enough to know that things need to settle in when you get a new partner. Your friends may not like the person, they may like the person, your family may feel as if you're not around them anymore, but it just takes a little bit of time for things to adapt, and you got to make sure that you don't sabotage things at that new level. Whenever you get a new job, you got to make sure just because you've got a new job that you don't start sabotaging things because you've got a new job. And you've got to be able to have clear communication with the people around you and with your team who are involved in your life, and be able to communicate to them, that you are evolving, you are waking up, you are realizing, you are taking on more responsibility in your life, and you are building a new life for yourself. So just be aware that having clear communication with the people around you as you evolve is really, really, really important. It's same in the systems here with what we do here. Our objective, once we come out the other side of Relationships in You, is to sit down and go, okay, what worked? And what do we feel needs a little bit of work? And then I'll sit with the team and we'll discuss, okay, how can we make sure that the next time round we're running things at an even greater level and smoother and more organized. So it's same in your life. Make sure you look at the team around you that love you, the people that care about you, the people that have always been there supporting you. And as you evolve and grow, make sure you got open and clear communication with them. So I want you to do something for me this week. If this has helped you, if you know someone in your life that is going to a new level, or they've just started a new relationship, or they just got a new job, or something is changing, there's a dramatic shift in their life occurring, please feel free to flick this link over to them and share this message with them. On top of this, guys, I want to share with you, I want you to share with me in the comment section if something is moving for you in your life and you need a little bit of help with, how to communicate the fact that there's movement occurring, or how to be able to, I suppose, be able to make sure that transition happens smoothly for you. Send us over a comment and we'll see if we can help you out, see if we can share some wisdom with you to make sure that your transition to a new level really, really runs smooth for you. Take care. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please feel free to flick it forward on Facebook or tweet it. And remember, love is the only way. Love is all there is. Live your life inspired. Take care. Bye-bye.